Welcome to the 1%. You see, in this world, in this matrix, there exist some loopholes that we can use to get profitable and get a return on our investment with a 0% chances of losing. So, in this video, I'm gonna discuss about a loophole that we can use to get profitable with a zero chance of losing. I've recently found out this loophole, not quite recently, but approx 5 to 6 months ago. But it took me so long to publish the video because I was kind of practically testing the strategy, and after getting profit from it, I am making this video so that you can know about it. And don't worry, I'm gonna attach the proofs and all the practical history I have done so that you can be sure and research into this topic and then involve to it. So without wasting the time, just let's begin. So before we start, let me confess that some of the loopholes might contain some unethical ways, and this particular strategy I'm sharing with you contains some unethical apps, but because those are not banned and available in India, so that is legal, not illegal, but it's kind of unethical. So if you really want to invest in the system or the strategy, or you are interested about this, consider the precautions and do your own research before investing. Strategy I'm gonna share with you has no particular name, so let's call it smart betting. You see, after hearing the word bettings, it might sound illegal or might sound addictive, but I'm not here to promote any kind of betting or any kind of promotion of my groups or my channels or my any kind of apps. So to understand the smart betting, first we have to understand what betting is. So let's assume there is a match between team A and B, and if team A wins, we're gonna get 2 into multiplier, which is called odd in betting. So if we put 100 rupees in team A, if team A wins, we're gonna get 200 rupees. 100 times 2, 200. And if team B wins, we're gonna get 0. So there is a chance, 50-50 chance, that we're gonna get either we're gonna get 100% return of our profit, or we're gonna lose every single money. But in smart betting, we have to make bets in such a way that any possible scenario we are gonna be profitable. No matter which team wins, we are gonna get the money we have placed with external benefit and external profit. So to understand the scenario, I would like to present my recent, I've recently tested it, and I'm in this video I'm sharing the recent odds I have placed. So I will don't remember the names of the particular matches. So let's assume there was a match between India and Pakistan, and there is two apps. So let's call it app A and app B. So India, Pakistan on app A, app B, India and Pakistan. So now the game begins. So on app A, the odds if India wins was 2.98, and on Pakistan it was 1.32. On app B, the odds if India wins was 1.70, and on Pakistan it was 2.10. So in this whole process, we have to include a calculator, especially programmed and designed for this kind of smart betting, and this is a digital calculator. Let's call it a smart calculator. So we have to put all the odds and our investment. So let's assume our investment was 100 rupees. So we have to put all the information to the calculator, and the calculator is gonna give us some output. So the output was 41.34% and 58.66%. So now we have to put 41.3% of our investment on team India and 58.66% of our investment on Pakistan. So let's do it. So let's put 41.34 rupees on India on team A, and put 58.66 6%, I mean 6 rupees on Pakistan team B. So in cricket, there is only two scenarios: either the India is gonna win or the Pakistan is gonna win. So in both scenario, let's calculate our outcome. So if India wins, how much? It is 41. Sorry. So if India wins, how much we are gonna get? Because our investment was 41.34 rupees and the odd was 2.98, so we are gonna get, let's calculate it, 41.34 into 2.98, which is 123.19 rupees. So let's understand, if India wins, because our investment was 41.34 rupees and the award was 2.98 into, if India wins, we are gonna get 123.19 rupees, 123 rupees 19 paisa. But if Pakistan wins, I know they never win, but if Pakistan wins, how much we are gonna get? Our investment on Pakistan on team app B was 58.66 rupees and the odd was 2.10. So if Pakistan wins, how much money we're gonna get? It's 58.66 into 2.10, because the odd was 2.10 and our investment was 58.66 rupees. So how much you're gonna get? 123.18 rupees. So you see, it doesn't matter if India win or Pakistan win, we are gonna get 123 rupees in any possible scenario, and this is how smart betting works. Our total investment was 100 rupees. We put 41.34 rupees on India on team A and 58.66 rupees on Pakistan on team B. And if India wins, we're gonna get 123.19 rupees, and if Pakistan wins, we're gonna get 120.18 rupees. Because our investment was 100 rupees and the profit we get is 23.19 rupees, so that's a 23.19% return on our investment. So it's not about the percentage. If we increase our investment, the profit we're gonna get is gonna be higher, because the percentage is gonna be same. So in this whole scenario, we need two things: a software uh, to find those kind of opportunities in this whole betting apps. There is lots of betting, 100 plus betting apps, so we have to find those kind of opportunities, and to find those kind of opportunities we need a software which will help us to find those kind of opportunities. We can do it manually, but it will take very much time, so we need a software. And second of all, we need this calculator. So to process this whole system, we need those two things, and the good news is we have those two things. Those are available in the internet. So before I end the video, I would like to share my uh, recent bets that I have placed using this method, and all the result I have got from the method, and everything is gonna be crystal clear. You can check your own. So there you can see there was a match between India and Bangladesh on 26th of September, and the odds on India was 1.90 into, and on Bangladesh it was 34 into. So I placed using the calculator 473 rupees on India and 26 rupees on Bangladesh, and the total investment I put on this match was 499, approximately 500 rupees. And when India won, I got 1.90 multiplier of 473 rupees, which is 989 rupees. So my total initial investment was 500 rupees, and I got 898 rupees, which is approx 80% return on our initial investment. So you see, that was 80% return on investment on a single match. So if you really want to join the community and get involved into this strategy, then consider commenting down below. And if you really learned something new today, then consider subscribing the channel and liking the video.